Unseen Tours is a tour to talk about homelessness. It follows the route where I used to sleep. I used to be homeless in this area about 20 years ago. I was on the Waterloo Bridge in my own house. I built myself a wooden palace from the back of the Savoy Hotel. What can I say? A luxury. I'll go invite you for dinner on the Waterloo Bridge. This is the first building I slept in when I became homeless. I've got plenty of stories, don't you worry.
I used to come in here in the winter and sit quite good because there's warm in here. I used to sit and knit in here, so it was like a shelter for me.
There's so much about London, you won't believe it. You go digging, you find even more.
I do a pub quiz once a week. You come with me next time. We might win some money.